Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am. I have, ma'am.
Who? Which one?
Ate Geraldine.
Okay, so she is working here also in Malaysia. Do you know in which place she was designated?
Yes, ma'am. She is work at KL in
Okay,
Malaysia.
so she is your cousin.
She is the sister of my husband, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad.
Yes, ma'am. My first time.
Okay, so normally homesickness frequently attacks you here, knowing that you are a fresher. So are you ready for any like homesickness attacks you anytime?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
How will you gonna handle your homesickness once it strikes you?
I will try to contact my family, ma'am, and also, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Jan Migibo. I'm 24 years old. I have one son. He is 4 years old, and my husband also is 26 years old. I've been together for 5 years. 5 years ago, ma'am.
Okay, so you are married.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when is your birthday?
March 25, 2000, ma'am.
March 25, 2000. What about your height and your weight?
My weight, ma'am, is 48, and my height is 4'7", 4'8", I think, ma'am.
Okay, 4'8". What is your religion?
I'm Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I finished my high school studies, ma'am, only.
High school, Roman
Yes,
Catholic.
ma'am.
So you mentioned that you got one son which is 4 years old, was it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your husband occupation and how old is he?
He is 26 years old, ma'am, and he is a driver.
Driver. Okay, so who will going to take care of your son once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My grandfather, ma'am.
How old is your grandfather and what is his occupation?
He is 60 years old, ma'am,
60
and
years
he
old.
is yes, ma'am. He is 60 years old, and he don't have work, ma'am. Only
Okay.
in house.
So what about your parents? What is their occupation and how old is your parents?
My mother, ma'am, she is died, passed away 5 years
Okay.
ago, and my father, he is a laborer, ma'am.
Okay. What
And I
about,
have siblings,
sorry, how many siblings?
6, ma'am.
Okay. So how many brother and how many sister?
My brother, ma'am, is 4. My sister is 1.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the second, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In which place in the Philippines?
Cagayan de Oro, ma'am.
How many years you worked there?
I worked there for 1 year, I think, ma'am.
Okay. What year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
I start for 2020, and I stop for 2020. I start for 2021, and I stop for 2020. 22.
22. Okay, so can you
Yeah.
describe what are your duties to your previous employment in Cagayan?
I'm doing for uh cleaning, mom, washing the clothes, cooking, all around, mom.
You do laundry,
Yes, mom. Laundry, washing the
ironing.
clothes. Yes, mom.
Did you take care any children?
Yes, mom.
Your employer got children before?
Uh, she don't have children, mom, before, but I try experience also for another employer to caretaker the baby.
Okay, in which place in the Philippines? In which place in the Philippines that you experienced taking care of children?
Valencia, ma'am.
Valencia. Okay, so
Yes, Valencia.
how many years you worked there?
Uh, 8 months, ma'am.
Okay, what year you started there? And what month did you finish?
I start for 2023. Then I stop for 8 months.
What month did you start there and what month did you finish?
With ma'am. Uh, um, January, ma'am. Then I stop for gusto mo
September.
August. I
Okay.
did not really sure, ma'am, but
Okay.
maybe is that
You take care how many children did you take care there?
1 years old, ma'am. Only one.
Okay. While taking care of these children, you do house chores also, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Gian, you have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 months, and it's not 2 weeks, and it's not 1 year. So, if anything might
Yes,
happen
ma'am.
back to your family in the Philippines, like any uncertain situations, please be aware that you cannot easily go back home because you signed a 2 years contract. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
you know
ma'am.
what will be the consequences once you breach your contract. You need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here. You are the one who decided because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yeah. Ma'am.
Can you take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. I don't have an experience, but I'm willing, ma'am.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you cook?
I don't have an experience to cook in Malaysia foods, ma'am. Only in Philippines, but I'm willing to learn in Malaysian food, ma'am.
Okay, are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you know that you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working, but rather than you can hold it during nighttime, like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, on your rest day, you are entitled also to have a rest every week. But of course, if you will gonna rest, you will going to rest inside the employer's house and you cannot go out. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just wanted to make it clear to you before you reach here in Malaysia so that we lessen the problem later. It's either you agree or disagree. If you disagree, it's okay. We don't force people also to come here in Malaysia. But if you agree, then we
Yes,
don't have any problem, okay? As long as you respect the
yes,
rules and regulations, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Have a good day. Bye.